channel. In the part 1, complex numbers, introduction, and few 2 marks questions were completed. Actually, this chapter consists of 2 marks question, 1 4 marks question, total 8 marks. So, based on this chapter, the continuation of part 1, that is, 5th question is find the Z1 into Z2. Find Z1 into Z2 if Z1 equal 3, 5 and Z2 equal 2, 6. You know, 2 marks questions. So, solution given that Z1 equal 3, 5 order pair of. So, that can be written as Z1 equal 3 plus 5i. And next, given that Z2 equal order pair of 2, 6. So that can be written as Z2 equal 2 plus 6i. So what is asking Z1 into Z2? So dear students or friends, this is very easy sums. Just small multiplications and small additions only are in this chapter. So Z1 into Z2 asking. First Z1. Z1 means what? 3 plus 5i. Next into Z2. Z2 means what? 2 plus 6i. Then multiply. 3 into 2. How much? 3 to the 6. 3 into 6. 3 6 ja 18. So 18i. Next 5 into 2. 5i into 2. 5 2 ja 10i. Because of I is there. Next 5i into 6i. 5 6 ja 30. I into I square. So 6 is there only, and items here 18, here 10. So total items 28i. Next plus 30 into I square. See, I square value is minus 1. So 30 into I square is equal 30 into minus 1, that is minus 30. So 30 I square means minus 30. Is it clear? I square means minus 1. Minus 1 into 30, minus 30. You know? So by this step, 6 minus 30. How much? Minus 24 plus 28i. So this is Z1 into Z2 and write in order pair because of question mentioned in order pair. So minus 24 comma imaginary part 28. So this is Z1 into Z2 equal minus 24 comma 28. So this is the 5th question. The next 6th one is if Z1 equal 6 comma 3 and Z2 equal 2 comma minus 1, then find Z1 by Z2. Z1 by Z2. There is same way. Given that Z1 equal 6 comma 3 means what? Z1 equal 6 plus 3i. Next, Z2 is equal given 2 comma minus 1 order pair of. Therefore, Z2 equal 2 minus I. 1i means I. Asking to find Z1 by Z2. So Z1 by Z2 is equal Z1 means what? 6 plus 3i by Z2 2 minus I. So next after that simplify. How to simplify? Whenever denominator consists complex number, immediately do rationalize. How to do rationalizing? Means multiply and divide with rationalizing factor. Here what is this? 2 minus I. So whenever minus is there, take plus. That means 2 minus I means we should take 2 plus I by 2 plus I. Whatever here, just say change the sign and multiply divide. And do simplification next. Numerator 6 into 2 12. 6 into I 6i. Next 3i into 2 3 to the 6i. Next 3i into I 3i square by see a minus b into a plus b. What is formula? A minus b into a plus b is equal a square minus b square. So like that, 2 minus I into 2 plus I becomes what? 2 minus I into 2 plus I becomes 2 square minus I square. Okay, so 2 square minus I square. And next step. So 12 is there, write as it is. 6i plus 6i. Here items 6 are there, here items 6 are there. Total 6 is 12i. 12i. Here 3i square. What is the I square value? Minus 1. Minus 1 into 3, minus 3. That's it. Since I square is equal minus 1 by 2 square means 2 into 2, 4. Next minus I square means I square value minus 1. Next 12 minus 3. How much? 9. 12 minus 3, 9 plus 12i by, see, minus into minus plus 4 plus 1, 5. So 9 plus 12i by 5. So and more we can use simplify. So therefore z1 by z2 equal, okay na? Give this denominator to each and every term. So it becomes 9 by 5 plus 12 by 5. 9 by 5 plus 12i by 5. Okay na? So we can represent in order pair also, that is 9 by 5 comma 12 by 5. So this is z1 by z2. Okay na? In the first part 4 questions with introduction, and in the second part 5th and the 6th, and let us see what is 7th question. So the 7th question is very most important for 2 marks question. Very most important this is, that is if z equal 2 minus 3i, then show that z square minus 4z plus 13 equal to 0. So very important. In the first part also one question, that is find the multiplicative inverse of z 7 plus 2i, 7 plus 24i. So that is most important, and in this here it is important. But in first part we discussed about basics of the complex numbers. Okay, given what is given solution? Given that z equal 2 minus 3i. See, this sum we can solve in 2 ways. One is 13 means we know, z means given, z square we don't have, just do squaring and find z square. After getting z square, substitute here z square value and z and simplify, you will get 0. That is one method. And second method is, that is very easy. This is bring to left side. So z minus 2 equal minus 3i. And do squaring and simplify, we get answer. Squaring on both sides. So z minus 2 whole square is equal minus 3i whole square. So this is the form of a minus b whole square. So a minus b whole square formula, a square minus 2ab plus b square. So like that, z minus 2 whole square, z square minus 2 into z into 2 plus 2 square. So in that way we can simplify z minus 2 whole square. What is that? Z square minus 2 into z into 2 plus b square, 2 square. Next is equal, see, minus having square becomes minus square means plus, 3 also having square, 3 square, I also have square, I square. Simplify this, z square 2 into 2, 4z plus 2 square, 2 to the 4 is equal, 3 square value 9, I square value minus 1, I square equal minus 1. So I square value minus 1, 1. 3 square value 9. 9 into minus 1 minus 9. Minus 9 side left side. Therefore z square minus 4z plus minus and right side becomes 4 plus 9 equals 0. So therefore z square minus 4z plus 4 plus 9 how much? 13 equals 0. What is the answer? Yes, hence true. So dear friends, this is most important for 2 marks question. This means 7th question. In this chapter, we have most probably 25, 20 very short questions are there. Among the 20 very short, we get 2 very short questions in the exam, 2 to just 4 marks. Out of only just 20 questions. So already 7 questions are over. With this 7, we can expect 1 question. And each one is find the least integer small n satisfying 1 plus I by 1 minus I whole power n equal to 1. Find the least integer n satisfying 1 plus I whole power n by 1 minus I is equal to 1. Okay, first of all, simplify what is given. Given that we are not showing 1 plus I by 1 minus I whole power n equal to 1. Here, statement is given. What is the n value? Not only n value, what is the least n value? This is asking. Okay, power keep it as it is, and here denominator consists complex number. So rationalize immediately. 1 plus I by 1 minus I into some minus is there. So in the rationalizing take plus 1 plus I by 1 plus I and whole power n equal to 1. So that implies on the numerator 1 plus I into 1 plus I. 1 plus I into 1 plus I. This is called what? 1 plus I whole square. So 1 plus I whole square means what? Okay. 1 plus I whole square by denominator a minus b into a plus b. So a square minus b square. So having whole power keep as it is and is equal to 1 also write as it is. Now expand a plus b whole square. A square plus 2ab plus b square by 1 square means 1. I square value minus 1. Then a minus 1. Whole power n is equal to 1. Then 1 square means 1. 2 1 are 2 into I. 2i plus I square value is minus 1. Okay. By here minus into minus plus 1 plus 1 becomes 2. Is equal to 1. Okay, now here apply a plus b whole square formula, that is a square plus 2ab plus b square. Next I square value also we substitute, that is minus 1. Next see plus 1 minus 1 cancel, remaining 2i by 2. 2i by 2 whole power n equal to 1. So 2 to the cancel, we are getting I power n equal to 1. Now tell me when I power something is 1. Means n equal to 4 because of I power 4 is 1. And at 8, I power 8 also get 1. And at 12, it is 16, so and so. At I power n, evaluate something, I power n is 1. So in this, what is the least integer? 4 is the least integer. Therefore, n equal to 4, the answer. This is also a little bit important. Is it clear? Take the given condition and rationalizing inside and simplifying. After simplifying, we get I power n equal to 1. Whenever I value is 4 or 8 or 12 or 16 or so and so, I power n value is 1. But in all values, the least one is 4. Therefore, n equal to 4 is the answer. What is the greatest one? Can we say? No. We can't say greatest one. Next one. So dear friends, please try to write the notes. Okay na? We just pause the video and make the notes. After that, I will watch continuation. Next, data completed. Next one, find the real and imaginary parts of the complex number a plus ib by a minus ib. How to find what is real part, what is imaginary part? I coefficient is imaginary part, remaining part is real part. So a plus ib by a minus ib is given. First of all, simplify the solution. Z complex number means what? Let us take, I am taking that z equal a plus ib by a minus ib. How to simplify this? Here the denominator consists a complex number. So immediately rational with minus is there, take plus a plus ib by a plus ib. Okay na? Numerator consists a plus ib into a plus ib, becomes a plus ib whole square. So a plus ib whole square. Same a square plus b square formula. A square plus 2ab means ib plus b square. So a square plus 2aib plus b square means ib square. But b means ib. By a minus b into a plus b means a square minus b square. So is equal a square plus I into 2ab. I square value minus 1. B square means b square. By a square as is I becomes I square. I square means what? Okay, let us see. I square b square. The next step I square value what? Minus 1. So z equal a square minus b square plus I into 2ab. That only I wrote. A square minus b square plus I into 2ab. By a square. See, I square value minus 1. Minus into minus plus b square. It becomes plus b square. So which is equal a square minus b square. We can separate a square minus b square by a square plus b square plus I into 2ab by a square plus b square. So almost all we have reached, but finally conclusion we should write, that is asking for real and imaginary. So therefore real part of z is equal next to imaginary part of z. Imaginary part. So what is real part here? A square minus b square by a square plus b square. What is the imaginary part? 2ab by a square plus b square. So this is the solution. Is it clear? Just z is given a plus ib by a minus ib. Okay? This is real part means first part, imaginary part means second part, means coefficient of I. So this is next. Already I told you complex conjugate. What is complex conjugate in the part 1? complex conjugate means the complex conjugate of z is z bar. అంటే x plus I by conjugate x minus I by. That's it. Suppose 2 plus 3i is there. What is the complex conjugate of 2 plus 3i? 2 minus 3i. Simply how to rationalize? In the rationalize we just change the sign. So like that complex conjugate also same. Suppose 3 minus I is there. Complex conjugate becomes 3 plus I. So like that change. So let us see one question. Find the complex conjugate. Then question. Find the complex conjugate of 3 plus 4i into 2 minus 3i. This is the question. Find the complex conjugate of 3 plus 4i into 2 minus 3. First of all, simplify this solution. Let us take, I am writing, given that z equal to taking 3 plus 4i into 2 minus 3i. First simplify this. 3 into 2. 3 into 2. 6. 3 into 3. Minus 9i. Okay. 3 into minus 3. 9i. Next 4 into 2. 8i. Next 4 into minus 3. Minus 12i square. Next 6. Here items. Those are negatives, some are positives. So subtract 9 minus 8, 1. But negatives are more, so totally minus 1. Here minus 12. What is I square value? Minus 1. Okay, na? I square value is minus 1. So minus into minus plus, it becomes plus 12. So this is minus I, this is 6. Finally plus 6 plus 12, 18 minus I. So just we simplify the given z value. Okay? So this what is conjugate? Therefore, complex conjugate of z is z bar. So for this becomes what? 18 minus I whole bar. So that becomes 18 plus I. That is the complex conjugate mean. Conjugate means just if minus is there, write plus. If plus is there, write down minus. Very simple. Conjugate means just change the sign. Next to 11th question. Locus concept is important. If z equal x plus I by z equal x plus I by and modulus z equal 1, then find the locus of z. Find locus of z. Okay, very easy. Small question. Given that z equal x plus I. Given that z equal x plus I. And also given that modulus z equal to 1. Okay? What does it mean? Modulus means what? Modulus means the length of the complex number that becomes. So whenever modulus is there, the formula becomes root of real part. What is real part? X square. Next plus write down. Always plus write down. Next what is imaginary part? Y. So y square. That is nothing but simplifying of the modulus information. So now to remove square root, taking squaring on both sides. So root x square plus y square equal to 1. So both sides taking square. So square cancel. We get x square plus y square equal to 1. This is the locus of the given complex number z. That's it. Let us see one more question and depend on this type of locus of z. Can we solve it? Just so this locus of z also important concept. Z minus 3 plus I. If modulus z minus 3 plus I is equal to 4, then find locus of z. Okay? So 12th question this is, if modulus z minus 3 plus I equal to 4, then find the locus of z. What is z generally? Okay now, if z is x plus I by is not given, then also we can take let z equal to x plus I by. And what is given? Given that modulus z minus 3 plus I is equal to 4. Substitute what is z? X plus I by. And minus 3 plus I is equal to 4. Now what are the real parts? X and minus 3. So x minus 3 plus I quotient. Y here nothing is 1. So y plus 1 is equal to 4. Now simplifying about this modulus, how do we write? Square root of real part. What is real part here? X minus 3. X minus 3 whole square. Next right plus. Next what is imaginary part? I quotient. Imaginary part means I quotient. What is imaginary part? Y plus 1 whole square is equal to 4. By simplifying we will get the locus of z. Okay, now here square root is there. Okay, to remove this square root, taking square on both sides. What is next step? Squaring on both sides. So after squaring, you will get the cancel the square root. Okay. Whole square is equal to 4 square. What is in this? X minus 3 whole square plus y plus 1 whole square. Square root cancel. The remaining step, x minus 3 whole square plus y plus 1 whole square equal to 4 square means 16. 4 square means 16. Simplify. This is in the form of a minus b whole square. What is a minus b whole square formula? A square minus 2ab plus b square. This is this. Next plus. Next what is this? A plus b whole square. So a square plus 2ab plus b square. Next to is equal next to 16. That's it. X square 2 3 6x 3 square 9. Next plus y square 2 1 2y plus 1 is equal to 16. Write down first x square term, next y square term, first x square term, next y square term, next x terms minus 6x, next y terms plus 2y, and the numbers 9 plus 1 10. 16 bring left side, it becomes minus 16. So 10 minus 16 becomes what? Minus 6 is equal to 0. So this is the locus of z. Okay? This is 12th question. Any doubts? If you have any doubt, please put in comment box. If you clearly understood, then also please put in your comment in comment box. 12th question. This is. Make a notes. Next, one more question in this locus. Okay. Question. If modulus z plus ai is equal to modulus z minus ai, okay now, then find the locus of z. Find locus of z. Solution. Given that modulus z plus ai is equal modulus z minus ai. Okay, na? Modulus means z means what? We know that z means x plus iy. So plus ai as g is equal again modulus z means x plus iy minus ai. So here what are the real part? Only x. What are the imaginary part? I quotient, that is take out I comma remaining y plus j. Next is equal x is there and imaginary part I is the common, I common, remaining terms are y minus a. Now modulus means what? Root of. So what is the real part? X. So x square plus what is the imaginary part? Y plus a. So y plus a whole square. Next is equal. Next modulus means what? Root of. What is the real part? X. So x square plus what is the imaginary part? Y minus a whole square. Okay, na? So both sides, by squaring on both sides, we can remove the square roots. So what are the remaining? X square plus y plus a whole square is equal to x square plus y minus a whole square. Now simplify both terms x square is cancelled and y plus a whole square. Expand it, y square plus 2 into y into a plus a square is equal, and simplifying y minus a whole square, a minus b whole square formula, y square minus 2 into y into a plus a square. So both sides y square cancel and a square cancel because of those are same terms. So remaining 2ya. So 2ya is equal minus 2ya. Okay? Bring left side minus 2y. Bring left side. So it becomes what? 2ya. Bring left side plus 2ya is equal to 0. So 2ya plus 2ya becomes what? 4ay is equal to 0. So 4 if you send right side and a also a number, 4 also a real number. So those can becomes send right side, it becomes y equal 0 by 4a, that is 0. So locus of z is y equal to 0 and this is also called as x axis. So we can write therefore locus of z equal is y equal to 0 or you can write x axis. So this is the 13th question solution. Okay, na? Actually we have 1, 2, 3. Next 14th question. If a plus ib whole square equal x plus iy, if a plus ib equal, if a plus ib whole square equal x plus iy, then find x square plus y square. Then find x square plus y square. Okay, na? This also is the question. So given that a plus ib whole square equal x plus ib, okay, na? We want to find x square plus y square. How can we get x square plus y square from this? If it consists modulus, then we can write x square plus y square. But modulus is there? No. So first of all, I am taking modulus on both sides. Therefore, taking modulus on both sides. So modulus a plus ib whole square equal modulus x plus ib. Now modulus means what? Root a square plus b square, but it has in square both sides. So square is equal here modulus means what? Root of x square plus y square. A square root cancel. So finally a square plus b square equal root x square plus y square. Got it? No, but we want without root. So to remove root, squaring on both sides. Squaring on both sides. So therefore a square plus b square whole square is equal root x square plus y square whole square. Square root cancel. Therefore x square plus y square equal a square plus b square whole square is the solution. Next 15 in this class only two sums will complete. Same 1 minus 7 minus 7 if 1 minus I into 2 minus I into 3 minus I dash 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 1 minus ni is equal x minus I by then do that 2 into 5 into 10 into dash 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 1 plus n square is equal to x square plus y square. It looks like the sum is a big, but simplification is very simple and very easy. What is given condition? Given that 1 minus I into 2 minus I into 3 minus I into dash dash into 1 minus ni is equal x minus iy. Okay now? I think you understood how to get x square by y square only by taking modulus. So taking modulus on both sides. Therefore modulus x minus iy. And here also modulus 1 minus I into modulus 2 minus I into modulus 3 minus I dash 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 modulus 1 minus ni. Okay now? Next simplify. Modulus 1 minus I means what? Root 1 minus I minus. The real part is 1 square. Imaginary part is I coefficient minus 1. So first plus 1 right? Minus 1 square. And root real part 2 square plus imaginary part minus 1. So minus 1 square. And root real part 3 square plus imaginary part minus 1 square. Dash 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 root real part 1 square plus imaginary part minus n square is equal here root real part x square plus imaginary part minus y, so minus y square. Okay now? So implies. Okay now? Taking modulus on both sides. So root 1 square means 1 minus 1 square means 1. 1 plus 1 2 into root 2 square means 4 minus 1 square means 1. 4 plus 1 5 into root becomes 10 into dash dash root 1 square means 1 minus n whole square means plus n square is equal to root x square plus minus y whole square. Don't think plus into minus because of minus having a bracket and have square. So minus y whole square is plus y square. So both side root is there. Okay now? Take squaring on both sides. You will get one more step I'm writing root of 2 into 5 into 10 into dash 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 1 plus n square is equal to root of x square plus y square. So squaring on both sides you will get 2 into 5 into 10 into dash dash 1 plus n square is equal x square plus y square. The solution. Okay. One more question, last question from this video. 2 marks questions. So next concept, polar representation means modulus amplitude form or polar form, and how to find the square root of a complex number 2 plus 3i, 1 minus I minus 4 plus 3i like so and so. For this also we can find square root in this complex number. So that concept and polar representation form means r into cos theta plus I sin theta. formation, what is theta, what is r, how to find. That is very most important for 2 marks question. In this polar form, definitely one 2 marks question will come in exam. 100%, not 99, 100% compulsory question for this concept, polar difference. So that concept will be taught in next video, means part 3 of that. So don't miss. If you watch my videos in continue, you will get good score in mathsIIA definitely. Not only good score, you can try to reach 75 out of 75 if you are capable. Just I will give you how to prepare and how to practice and which sums we should practice and what way we have to practice. I will tell you. If you follow me, you will get good score. Next last question today in this video, that is if root 3 plus I whole power 100 is equal 2 power 99 into a plus ib. If root 3 plus I whole power 100 is equal 2 power 99 into a plus ib, then show that a square plus b square equal to 4. Okay, now given that root 3 plus I whole power 100 equal 2 power 99 into a plus ib. See, observe here a square plus b square value we should find. So a plus ib is given. From this, if you take modulus, we can get a square plus b square. So taking modulus on both sides. Take modulus on both sides. So modulus root 3 plus I whole power 100 is equal to 2 power 99 into modulus a plus ib. Okay, na? So modulus means what? Root of whole power 100 means 100 is there. 2 power 99 into root of root real part root 3, imaginary part I coefficient 1. So root 3 square plus 1 square. So root 3 square plus 1 square is equal to a square real part, imaginary part b. A square plus b square. Root 3 square root cancel. See, root 3 square root cancel. Remaining 3 is there. 3 plus 1 square is 1. 3 plus 1 4. So root 4 power 100 is equal to 2 power 99 into root a square plus b square. See, root 4 value how much? 2. Very good. So 2 power 100 is equal to 2 power 99 into root a square plus b square. So we want a square plus b square. So 2 power 99 into root a square plus b square is equal to 2 power 100 is there. I just wrote left hand term in the right hand side, right hand term in the left hand side. No problem. 2 power 99 same right side. So root a square plus b square is equal to 2 power 100 by 2 power 99. So it becomes what? 2 power 100 minus 99. So 2 power 1, 2 is the remaining. A square plus b square. Okay, squaring on both sides. Because of we want a square plus b square, not root. So squaring on both sides. So a square plus b square is equal to 2 square is 4. Okay, now root square root cancel. Remaining a square plus b square equal to 4. These are the few very short questions. I just taught only 16 and remaining just 7, 8 are there. Only in that, among that 7, 8, actually 7, 8 means there are only 2 concepts: polar modulus form or modulus and form. Okay, concept adi. Okay, polar form and how to find square root. Only 2 concepts are there in this very short questions. Then here 16 are over. Only one concept, polar form. If you like, we have 2 marks. That is very easy and very important. Most important. Without the polar form, there is no question paper. So to that, please watch next video, and whatever you want, please search in YouTube like complex numbers part 1 by Nagaraju sir, complex numbers part 2 by Nagaraju sir, complex numbers part 3 by Nagaraju sir. Okay, then you can watch my video. So please friends, please subscribe my channel and also share with your friends. Thank you very much.